Yo, what's up, c'est votre gars sur le Fresh de Bel Air. Alors aujourd'hui, on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo. Une vidéo sur la chaîne Xavier qui va tout simplement nous apprendre comment survivre dans LA, particulièrement dans les quartiers chauds, genre dans les ghettos et tout. Et qui va nous apprendre qu'il y a certaines casquettes à ne pas porter. Aussi incroyable que cela puisse paraître, il y a bel et bien des casquettes que vous ne devez pas porter dans certains endroits à LA. Tout ça sera expliqué dans la vidéo. Donc voilà, moi je vous dis bonne vidéo et plus la muf. Bang bang. Yo, what's up là, c'est votre gars sur le Fresh de Bel Air. Juste pour vous informer que j'ai enfin drop mes merch. Donc voilà, si vous voulez me soutenir et acheter mes vêtements, le lien sera dans la description ou directement si vous êtes sur mobile. Il faudra juste aller en dessous d'une de mes vidéos et les vêtements seront présents. Ou sinon, si vous n'avez pas les moyens d'acheter mes vêtements et que vous voulez quand même me soutenir, vous pouvez directement rejoindre ma chaîne YouTube et avoir des emojis exclusifs à ma chaîne YouTube. Donc voilà. Je vous remercie encore. Moi, je vous dis bonne vidéo et plus la mif. Bang bang.
Three, two, one. We are recording. Let's get it.
South Central Part 2, hat edition.
Yep.
This is the safest hat you can wear in the city. Certain logos cause more attention.
On the real.
I'll give you an example of that.
Now look, when I say certain logos, like I was getting questions like, "Oh, does color matter?" Yeah, color matters. It depends on what part of the city you in, but a lot of the times it's more so the logo. For example, if I got a black black hat, black and white is LA. I'm cool anywhere I go, right? But if I have a black hat with an NY, if I'm in certain areas, like if I'm in the Hoover's territory, they ain't gonna, hey nigga, what you doing with that on, bro? What's that logo for? You feel me? They gonna go up. It's the logo. You feel me? The color cool.
C'est pas un truc c'est pas un truc de ouf en mode. Ouais, t'as l'impression que t'es à l'école, tu dois respecter un certain code vestimentaire.
Could be a red LA, but if that logo different, if it's a H, if it's a B, if it's a, that's what determines the press ratio. You know, y'all know about the press ratio.
This logo right here, LA, red, blue, black, it don't matter. It's the safest hat you can go by. But I'm gonna give you an example. This hat right here is a predominantly Crip hat.
Right,
you
and why?
Can't really predict what hood they from, but you can tell for sure they're from neighborhood. They from neighborhood something. But it's a Crip hat from the 40s to the 100s. You feel me?
And on that part, from the 40s to the 100s, let me tell y'all something, dude. A lot of y'all in the comments from the 30s to the 100s. Yes, from the 30s to the 100s, they're rolling. Rolling 30s, rolling 100s, rolling 60s. You feel me? From the 30s to the 100s, they're rolling. I've never heard of a neighborhood 30 Crip. Never heard of it. If I'm wrong, go ahead and put in the comments. Am I wrong? This clip is going on Instagram too. If I'm in the comments, let me know. Have you ever heard of a neighborhood 30 Crip? I've never heard of neighborhood 30 Crip in my life. I've been in LA for 19 years. I've never heard of it. Let's go though. Let's keep going.
Be careful where you wear this hat. It's not as bad. This hat's a blood hat. Don't wear this hat in no Crip neighborhood.
Don't do it.
Be careful where you wear this hat.
Be careful.
Le pire c'est que celle-là, dites-vous, à un moment j'allais l'acheter, mais nah.
Oh, no.
Get pressed for sure if you got this hat on. Don't care what nobody say. The press ratio on this is a 9 out of 10. You will get pressed regardless. I don't care if you're an unfamiliar face. Be careful.
And when I say unfamiliar face, that means even in their hood they'll press you. You feel me? Like you can go around in their hood wearing that hat, and if you're an unfamiliar face, hey, who is this dude? Who is bro? Why he got this hat on? He ain't from the set. He unfamiliar. You got people who's not from the set also, but they grew up around it so they can wear certain hats. This hat right here, that's an Inglewood hat. I got bros from Inglewood who don't.
Je vais pas mentir, hein. Moi si j'avais grandi dans un quartier comme ça et qu'en mode frère, j'aurais jamais pris le risque de porter une casquette qu'il faut pas. Me faire tirer dessus, nah. I'm good, fam.
He was not even from Inglewood families who put that hat on. You feel me? On the real. I know. You feel me? It's just if you grew up around it, you around it. You feel me? You can put the hat on, but if you don't, if you're an unfamiliar face, do not put the hat on around there or anywhere else, bro. For sure, anywhere else if you're not from Inglewood families, because you know what I'm saying.
Now this hat is a no.
Look.
Don't put that on unless you really from over. This is a Hoover hat, predominantly 100%. You will get pressed.
Now look.
Every time you put this hat on, be careful.
That's Bible. That's Bible. Look, I ain't lying. Let me tell you something. That Astros hat, that's a clean hat too. It's been plenty of times I've been like, man, I got a fit to go with that hat. But you can't wear it because it's caused too much it's controversial, bro. You put that hat on anywhere, they like, oh yeah, he's from Hoover, bro.
En plus, le problème avec les Hoovers, vous savez c'est quoi? C'est que les Hoovers, comme c'est un set qui est en mode, Les Bloods, c'est leurs ennemis. Les Crips, c'est leurs ennemis. Ils ont pas d'amis. À part les Hoovers. Le reste, c'est tous des ennemis. Donc imagine, t'es là, t'es un touriste, tu vas tranquille à LA et tout. Tu fais l'erreur de mettre une casquette Hoovers. God damn, nigga, you dead.
You're not from there, you don't want to put that hat on, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I don't bang, period. You feel me? I'm just an LA. I'm LA Suave. You feel me? I'm in the cut. You know what I'm saying? I'm just chilling. You know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to goddamn. You know what I'm saying? Just let me get my little black LA hat on. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be cool. But I wear other hats too, though. You feel me? I'm a little familiar face in the city. That I'm pretty sure people know I don't bang, but I still don't just wear hats just because. Oh yeah, I got a fan base. I'm just macho. No, I'm humble, dude. I'm a be calm and collected. I ain't wearing them, but you got to be careful wearing that Astros hat, dude. If you're not from Hoover, do not put the Astros hat on. Please don't. I'm telling you, for your own safety, dude. Like, and I had a lot of comments like, "Oh yeah, I'm from Houston. You know, I like wearing hats like that. Yeah, keep it in Houston." Not gonna lie, because I mean, it depends though. You know what I mean? Like, if you're in Hollywood and you come to LA, you go to Beverly Hills, you go to different areas. You know what I mean? You may be cool, but you're coming to South Central. South Central LA is not.
Je veux dire, Pop Smoke, il était dans les quartiers riches et il s'est fait quand même fumer par les Hoovers dans les quartiers riches. That's tough, man.
Not, South Central is not Hollywood.
That's
one thing I want to say too. Because a lot of y'all get it mixed up. Like, oh yeah, he from LA. Yeah, he be over there in Compton. Where Kendrick, no. Compton, South Central, LA, all are different. Compton has their own. It's Compton, California. South Central, Long Beach. You got what else you got Watts. Them are city, you feel me? That's a you feel me? That's their own little, that's an area, bro. Like if you from LA, you understand. Like when I say LA, I mean LA, South Central LA. Like, you know what I mean? You know where I'm coming from, like for real, like.
Hey, this hat right here.
Hey, that's that STL.
Hey, I got a story time for y'all too. If y'all want that story time, I'm telling you, I was over there at Rancho. Rancho is where they be. You feel me? Like where the BPS.
Celle-là, si je vais en Amérique un jour, si je vais à LA, celle-là, elle reste en France. Elle bouge pas.
Guesses, bro. I'm telling you, bro. Black P Stones, bro. I'm telling you, bro. I got a story time for y'all. If y'all want that story time, let me know, bro. I'm telling you, I got a story time. Crazy, bro.
Attention ratio, press ratio 9 out of 10. It's a very dangerous hat. Be careful now.
No, real.
This hat right here belongs to the Crips. You feel me?
30.
30 Crip, you know what I'm saying? That's for the TC, 30 Crip, you know what I'm saying? You get it? Be careful where you wear this hat. The attention ratio is not that hard. It's probably like a 7 out of 10, you know what I'm saying? But
and when I say attention ratio, let me repeat, it don't mean that hat won't get, you feel me? Like, it don't mean that hat won't get you hurt. I mean, like, bro, like, that hat will cause some type of attention, but it won't be as bad as the other hats, you feel me? But it will you can get hurt by wearing this hat. Don't get it twisted. That attention ratio varies, bro. Just because I say 7 out of 10 don't mean that it's cool to wear. I'm telling you. You wear this hat in certain areas, bro. I'm telling you, bro. It's not just as noticeable as some hats. That's why the attention ratio ain't as high as some hats. It's not that, you feel me? This is sky blue, light blue, with that fat T on it. That attention gonna be high.
These are one of the hats that you just don't wear. Attention ratio at least 9 out of 10. 9.5 out of 10, actually.
Yeah.
En vrai de vrai, vous voyez, il y a un mec qui nous fait un tuto des casquettes à ne pas porter si tu veux pas éviter, enfin si tu veux éviter de finir sous terre. C'est pas un truc de ouf en vrai, c'est pas fucked up un peu. Ah, et le pire c'est que tu peux vraiment finir sous terre parce que tu portes cette casquette là. God damn.
This is another
no-go.
If you are not from Rolling 60 Crip, do not.
One of the 2 notorious gangs in the city, man. I'm telling you, bro. That S hat, that Seattle hat. I got a lot of people from Seattle like, oh man, like, I can't wear my. Don't wear. Hey, if you in LA, don't wear that hat, dude. Especially if you black, bro. It's also due to your demeanor. Also, I'm gonna make a video on TikTok about that. Like, some people can get passes with wearing certain hats. I can wear certain hats before I got a familiar face. Now I could get away with wearing some hats because when they see me, it's, oh, bro, you the funny dude. It's love. You feel me? They know I ain't on no gang banging. You feel me? I'm from LA. I like to get fly. I do my little thing, but I still don't wear, you don't see me wearing the NY hat. You ain't gonna see me wear a Seattle hat. You ain't gonna see me wear an Astros hat. I'm not from them gangs, and I know what that type of hat, what kind of attention that brings. You feel me? You know what I'm saying? With that Seattle hat, man. That's one of the most known gangs in the city is the 60s and the Hoovers. And they both go at...
Ils sont ultra connus, les Rolling 60s. C'est un truc de ouf. Depuis Boys in the Hood, wesh. Eh, vous dites, depuis... Eh, ça remonte. Ouais, je crois, ça doit être le gang des Crips le plus populaire. Ouais, franchement, on entend... Ouais, franchement, je crois que ouais, c'est le plus populaire. Hein. En tout cas, niveau historiquement, c'est le gang dont j'ai le plus entendu parler de tous les trucs que j'ai regardés sur les Crips. C'est le gang le plus populaire. Après, bon, t'as d'autres sets et tout, mais franchement, les Rolling 60s et tout ça, tout ce qui est Rolling 60s, c'est les plus connus. C'est un truc de ouf.
That's like oil and water. They don't go together, bro. So them two hats are the most dangerous hats you can wear in the city. I'm gonna answer that question. I had a question like that in the DM, like, what's the most dangerous hats to wear in the city? Astros, Seattle's are the most dangerous hats to wear in the city because them hats cause the most controversy, bro. I'm telling you, bro. But like I was saying, it's all due to your demeanor. Like if you're from Seattle and you wearing that hat, we gonna tell if you we gonna know if you from LA or not. Yeah, this nigga, he's not from the city. We can tell by how bro look. His whole demeanor not LA. So you may get a pass, but you got some thirsty ones who ain't gonna care and make you take it off. But
Et eux là, les mecs thirsty comme il a dit, c'est les pires. Ceux qui cherchent du smoke. Frère, t'es là le mec qui va te dire, t'as pas un briquet s'il te plaît. Tu vas dire, oh non non gros, je fume pas. Et le mec il va vouloir te buter juste parce que tu fumes pas. God damn.
No, it's really your demeanor. Like I could wear an LA hat and still get pressed. It's just how I'm carrying myself. You feel me? If you walking macho man like looking everybody up and down like you him or something, they gon' check your temperature, bro. They gonna really check your temperature. Hey, bro, why you moving like that, bro? Who you looking at like that, bro? Relax, you looking a little extra. What's up with you? Where you from? On the dead homies. You gonna get that. I'm telling you, bro. They gonna press you. You acting like you tough, bro. I'm telling you, it's your demeanor, bro. Sometimes it ain't got nothing to do with your hat. I'm telling you, bro. You want a little bit more LA, you know, go ahead, hit that like button, go crazy. You dig me? Shut up, my...
Donc voilà, si vous avez kiffé cette vidéo, n'hésitez pas à aller follow la chaîne de Xavier. Franchement, je me dis que maintenant je peux aller à LA tranquille, parce que vous voyez, de base je comptais, parce que bien sûr tout ce qui est Compton, Crenshaw, Watts et tout ça, c'est des lieux d'enfance pour les gens genre, qui ont regardé les films Boys in the Hood, Menace to Society, ou même j'étais à San Andreas qui prenait un peu une copie de tous ces quartiers là. Genre en mode c'était obligatoire pour moi que si un jour je vais à LA, je visite tous ces endroits. Et maintenant je sais avec quelle casquette je dois y aller et quelle casquette je ne dois pas y aller. Parce que en mode, je le savais déjà tout ça de base. Les casquettes, ça c'est un truc que j'avais déjà entendu parler, mais je m'étais pas fié plus que ça. Je savais qu'il y a des gens qui ont perdu la vie parce qu'ils ont porté les mauvaises couleurs au mauvais endroit. Donc voilà, j'ai entendu parler d'histoires comme MC8 qui expliquait que lui, il se faisait agresser limite tous les jours. Parce que comme l'uniforme de son école était bleu, tout le monde lui posait la question, ouais, est-ce que tous les Bloods en gros, ils lui posaient la question, ouais, toi t'es un Crips ou quoi? Et en mode lui, il répondait, non, enfin si, c'était un Crips, MC8, c'était un Crips. Mais il faisait crari, ouais, non, c'est juste l'ensemble de mon école, donc voilà, son ensemble il était bleu, il devait porter des chaussures bleues et tout, donc tous les jours il subissait de la pression à cause de cet ensemble, donc vous voyez ce que je veux dire, donc c'est chaud de ouf. Vous dites, vous pouvez vous perdre la vie pour des vêtements. Ah stop. T'imagines la même en France? T'imagines parce que tu vas dans un certain endroit et que t'as une casquette du PSG, on va te dire, hey, gros, qu'est-ce que tu fais avec ta casquette du PSG ici? Bon, j'avoue, si tu vas avec une casquette du PSG à Marseille. Mais non, c'est un autre level, oui, c'est un autre level. C'est de la folie pure, oui. Mais bref, grâce à lui, en tout cas, je pourrais visiter LA. L'esprit tranquille, mais bon après je dis pas ça parce qu'on sait jamais, on peut se prendre des balles perdues toujours hein. Mais au moins ça de ce côté là, niveau vêtements je sais ce que je dois porter, niveau casquette je sais ce que je dois porter, je vais y aller avec ma casquette LA au calme, voilà, une casquette neutre où je risque pas de me faire presser parce que je porte la mauvaise casquette. Donc voilà, n'hésitez pas à me dire ce que vous pensez de tout ça. N'hésitez pas à aller checker aussi la chaîne de Xavier. Et si vous voulez cop mes merch, le lien sera dans la description. Donc voilà, moi je vous dis merci d'avoir regardé cette vidéo. Et plus la muf. Bang bang.